Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for Free Tutorial Friday. Today I wanted to make a man's birthday card, but I wanted to do it quick and easy, and I wanted to show you how. So take a screenshot if you'd like to get this month's host code. If you want to take part in my class next month for free, you do just need to buy the Christmas Gleaming Bundle, and you will be able to get that. Here is the code that you just need to put into order, and this will be on November 21st at 9 a.m. Pacific, noon Eastern. I would love to have you there. Just go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net or beautyandthestamper.com. All right, now that we've got that out of the way, let's get started in making this super quick, super easy birthday card for a man. And if you do want to find the tutorial, all the dimensions, you'll find that on my blog. I will put the link down below for you. So here we go. We're just going to use this little tiny happy birthday, and then the it's your day, enjoy it. Those two, so I've got those out. And we have some Stampin' dimensionals. We've got inside of the card, and then we've got a scrap piece for the happy birthday. We've got some metallic pearls that we'll use later. You can use black, you can use gray, you can use any color, but I'm going to just stick with the basic gray. And then I've got some vellum in here, just a cut piece of vellum, another cut piece of the gray granite, and then we've got, I think this is called Magic in the Night, but I definitely didn't want to use the spiders, but I think this is just gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead and cut this down, get this to the right shape, and then we will move on. Alrighty, I've got my Stampin' trimmer here, and I know that my card, once it is set in its base, it's going to be a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I want to just cut this down. So I know I want these to go up and down, so I'm going to cut this at 4. So I'm just going to line that right up at the 4-inch mark. Oh, and it's off just a little. So I'm going to do this one at the 5 1/2. Okay, there we go. And then I can do that down here. This is a straight line. So 4. And that should be nice and lined up. I'm going to take just a little piece off here to make sure that it is nice and straight, which is what I like to do. And that is the paper trimmer there, but we're going to use the little trimmer in just a bit. So let's go ahead and we are going to get our bone folder, burnish this down so it lays nice and flat. And then we're going to use our tape here. We're just going to use our Stampin' Seal. We're going to put this first layer on. And then I'm going to take a piece of crinkled ribbon here. Just kind of put it on like that. And then line that up. Of course, I did not cut it correctly because I cut it right on. Because I cut it right on camera. Let me see, what did I do wrong? You guys probably all saw me, and now I have to do this with ribbon. What did I decide? Oh, I cut it at 5 1/2. And I should have cut it at 5 1/4. So there we go. Fortunately, the tape is still way up here, so we're good. Phew, I love when those kind of things work out like that. That's why I always say, if it's cut correctly, because you never know. But now I think we've got it cut nice. There we go. That looks like a much better border. And there we go. And I'm going to take this guy. I'm just going to tie it in a little knot right here on the side. I definitely made that way too big, but that's okay. That is okay. And we're just going to get out our scissors, our little paper snips here, and we are going to snip this in a nice angle. Probably a better angle than that. There we go. And we're going to do this one. Well, oh yes, this is going to be fun. All right, I think we got it. There we go. Let's get on to the Stampin'. I think I could do that nicely. I'm hoping so. I'm going to get out our basic gray. And then we're just going to stamp that. There we go, so pretty. We'll put that right in the inside of our card. And we're gonna use our Stampin' seal again. And that's gonna go right on the inside. Now you do have these extra pieces here if you wanted to put those along the top or the bottom. Just to tie that in would be really a nice thing to do. But we're going to make this as quick and easy as possible. So now we're going to get out our little happy birthday. We're going to make this as straight as possible. And I'm going to kind of cut it, or kind of stamp it close to the top there. And now we're getting out just our little trimmer. A big trimmer will work as well if you have it. We're going to put this. This is where you could straighten it out just a little bit. Did I straighten it out a little bit? Not really, but that's okay. Just cut them right down. There we go. And then we are moving on to our other pieces that I, of course, have lost. Do you see them anywhere? Okay, give me a sec while I find them. Okay, when in doubt, just start cleaning. So I've got my little piece of vellum here, my little happy birthday here, and we are just going to glue this. Well, we're gonna glue this one right into place there. And we're just gonna put this right at that knot there and kind of at an angle. And don't worry, you won't be able to see the tape there, because we're going to take this and we're going to put some little dimensionals there. I'm just going to put, I think 3 is enough. We're going to get out our take your pick tool. put that right there. And then we're going to take our little, take your pick tool again. We're going to get some fresh putty. Just, there we go. I tap it down just a little bit. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put these on all four corners. Just like that. And we're going to put one more right in that B. And that's it. How quick and easy is that? And it's got such a manly little show to it. But you know what? A girl would appreciate this as well. I think it would be great for any gender. And I just think it's really nice and simple and cute. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I will talk to you later.